Hi folks, today we are going to practice 5 questions from PMP exam process domain aligned with your latest PMP exam content outline. Let's begin. A Scrum team has completed a major feature development for a banking app. In the sprint review, the product owner and stakeholders provide positive feedback but also highlight challenges faced during development. The Scrum Master organizes a sprint retrospective. What should be captured during retrospectives or final lessons learned meetings? A tech startup is developing a new mobile app where requirements and solutions evolve dynamically. The project team consists of self organizing and cross functional teams, and they must quickly adapt to emerging market needs. The leadership team needs to decide on the most suitable project development approach to ensure flexibility and responsiveness. Which project development approach best fits in this scenario? A bank is developing a mobile app, and during testing phase, the transactions module takes too long to process payments. The performance is below expected threshold, affecting user experience. To address this, the technical team optimizes the backend database queries and upgrades the server configurations to improve response times and meet the performance targets. What type of change request is this? A government IT department is developing a citizen portal for tax filing. Before deployment, the legal team informs the project manager that new data protection regulations will be enforced from next quarter. To ensure compliance, the team proactively updates security protocols, implements multi-factor authentication, and adds data encryption measures before the law goes into effect. What type of change request is this? A retail company is in the final stages of developing a new e-commerce website. During the user acceptance testing phase, customers report that the apply discount button does not work properly, preventing discounts from being applied at checkout. The development team investigates and fixes the broken functionality to ensure customers can apply discounts as intended. What type of change request is this?